Hi everyone, Succulents Box here. Since the holiday season is just around the corner, in today's video we will show you how you can give your holiday decorations a unique touch this year by making your own live succulent ornaments. Don't worry, no plants will be harmed during this process, so make sure to stick around until the end of this video to learn everything you need to know. Before we get into details, here are some materials you'll need to prepare for this project. A glass or plastic hanging orb, or an open ornament that can be used to hang or mound your succulents, like a glass globe that we have on our website. Just make sure that it's light enough so that you can hang it without worrying that it might fall or harm your tree. Succulent soil, small stones to give your succulents proper drainage, moss bedding such as green or brown reindeer moss or Spanish moss, some miniature compact succulents that could easily fit into your orb like Echeveria, sedum, haworthia, or even air plants, twine wire string to hang the ornament, and ornament hooks and tiny decorations for your succulent, which are completely optional. Now that we have everything ready, it's time to make our ornaments. Clean your ornament. Before you start planting, it's important to clean your ornaments first using soap and warm water, as this kills any potential germs or bacteria that may harm your plant. Make sure to thoroughly rinse off the soap and let it air dry as well before proceeding to the next step. Place your potting. Start by adding a thin layer of gravel, then layer over your succulent potting mix. If you're working with different types of succulents that require different potting mixes, we highly recommend that you label each ornament that corresponds to each plant, so you won't mix them up. But if you're just using air plants for your ornament, you can skip this step. Overlay with moss. Next, place a layer of moss over your potting soil. When you place your moss, shape it into a bit of a nest for your succulent to keep your plants nice and cozy. This will help retain moisture as well as make your ornament a little prettier. Placing your succulent. To do this, simply remove the succulent from the pot and place it gently inside your moss nest, allowing the roots free access to the soil. In case you have a bigger ornament, plant your succulent directly into the soil before adding your moss as you would when repotting. Also, we highly recommend watering your succulents the night before for the best results. Add embellishments. Lastly, if you have any fun decorations on hand, now is the time to add them to your ornament. Ornament care. Once you are done and you have hung your ornaments, make sure that your succulents get enough sunlight throughout the season by placing your holiday tree near a window. Make sure to keep up with your watering schedule as you would any other time of the year, using a watering bottle to ensure that you don't overwater your succulents. For air plants, on the other hand, you may remove them from the ornament and then mist them or give them a good soak. Then remember to repot your succulents as soon as the holiday season is over, or whenever you choose to take down your Christmas tree, unless you've used air plants, of course. And in this case, if you're crafting this ornament to give to a friend or family member, it is best to provide them with a pot as well and some potting tools to help them with the transition. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you again on our next video. Happy holidays, everyone!
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.